Hi guys, welcome to my channel again and welcome to Pearl TV. And in this video guys, I will share with you my present situation. Okay? So as you can see guys, kanina, bago ko naisipan na mag-talk in front of you, I was really stressed and sad, okay? So I do not know what's going to do. Then sabi ko, guys, kasi guys, nag-file na ako ng resignation sa work. I filed a work resignation. It's because my friend who's taking good care of my daughter is moving to Aklan, okay? And naghanap naman ako ng pwede sa kanyang makapag-replace sa pag-aalaga kay Shasha ngayong summer kasi wala nang pasok si Shasha. But unfortunately, hindi available yung mga pamangking ko at wala naman akong tao na pwedeng tiwalaan pagdating sa anak ko, okay? Dito sa so that's why I found myself stressed kasi gustong-gusto ko yung trabaho. I really love the job that I'm working with right now. But I have to give up. I have to sacrifice. So yung kanina guys, I am really thinking what things is needed to be done kasi sabi ko nga, yung anak ko, wala naman siyang kasalanan. But sometimes, because of the situation, I used to shout out. I used to shout to her. I used to go, ganyan. Wala naman siyang kasalanan eh. Diba? But it's because I really love the job. I want to do the job. But then, the situation, hindi siya nakikiayon eh. I really need to yun nga, after careful studying about my situation, I finally decided to give up my work. And yesterday nga, I filed the resignation, okay? I told my boss na wala akong choice, okay? Hindi naman ako pwedeng basta-basta na lang magtiwala sa iba na, ito anak, just to, kasi yung trabaho ko, sa akin lang naman yun eh. Sabi ko nga kay boss ko, ang anak ko, is supported naman siya ng tatay niya. Suportado naman kami ng asawa ko. I just really love to, kumbaga, yung pagtatrabaho, kapritsyo ko yun. It's a caprice na kumikita ako, okay? It's a caprices na kumikita ako. Suportado naman kami ng asawa ko. Pang araw-araw namin, suportado naman ng anak ko. So, why is it na parang gagawin kong burden yung buhay ng anak ko na araw-araw idadalhin ko siya sa office, sasigawan ko siya para kumilos na siya mag-toothbrush, na ganyan-ganyan, di ba? So, ayun, so the situation is very stressful. So, sabi ko nga kay boss ko, I really need to think of the best decision. From time to time, I told him naman before, na, yun nga, uuwi na sa Aklan yung nag-aalaga kay Shasha, and I'm really thinking of resigning na talaga. Where, laging sinasabi ng boss ko na ganito ganyan, sasama ko sa office yung anak ko lagi, okay lang naman sa kanila. Pero hindi nga ganong kadali, guys eh, nasasama mo yung anak mo sa office. Hindi ganong. Hindi ganong kadali kasi yung bata, gising sa umaga, alam niya wala siyang pasok, gusto niya matulog. Diba? Paggising niya sa umaga, mag-almusal, mag-antay ka talaga. Hindi naman lang, may stress ka lang na sisigawan mo siya, hindi niya deserve naman yun eh, di ba? Kaya nga sabi ko, parang nagiging masamang nanay ako just because I want the work, di ba? I love the work, pero syempre, mahal ko din yung anak ko. Siya naman yung first priority namin, di ba? The reason why I'm doing the work, the reason why I keep on pushing naman na magtrabaho, it's just to have a few savings naman, para naman sa anak ko. Pero nagiging mali na, so dapat I have to stop. Okay? So I think, ayun nga. So this talking, this talk, ito na ginagawa ko. This is one way of casting away my stress. Ayan. Ay, papunta ako sa office, effective on June 5. Yung resignation ko, immediate resignation kasi nga, I really want to stay at home na, and ayan, dito na lang kami ng anak ko. But sabi ko naman kay boss ko, I'm very much open naman kung they will offer me a work from home job. It will be better.